Dolphins and whales have thrived in the world's oceans for millions of years. Today, scientists are finding increasing levels of PFAS, so-called forever chemicals, in these remarkable animals across the globe. Designed to resist water, grease and stains, these chemicals do not easily break down. Instead, they move through rivers and oceans, becoming part of the food chain. Researchers expected whales living far from human activity to be less affected. They were wrong. Even animals in some of the world's most remote waters are carrying these chemicals in their bodies. The findings remind us that the ocean is connected to every part of our lives, and that what enters our environment rarely disappears. By supporting efforts to reduce PFAS pollution and encouraging safer alternatives, we can help protect the oceans and the extraordinary creatures that call them home. The choices we make today will shape the oceans of tomorrow.